I don't know why. I see the lady looking in the mirror. In her mirror, and she's looking back at me, and she moves the car up like I'm gonna do something. I don't know. Maybe she was just trying to create that car link, but now she's over the line. Maybe she thinks I look like a hooligan, like a thug. You know, that was probably the scariest thing. Okay, almost the scariest thing that happened to me. Yeah, I was literally. I'm actually kind of mad I didn't get it on camera because the fucking firefighters and the fucking ambulance people kept asking me if my camera was on, and they didn't want it on, so I didn't have it on for a little bit. And that fucking moment where I was trying to leave, the cop came running after. I saw him walking towards me, and I was like, "Oh shit, we gotta go." There's nowhere else for him to go, but he's coming to me, and I knew he was coming to me, and so I had to get out of there quick. I don't know, I loaded it up, zoomed off, and when I looked at my mirror, he was already at the corner. Bro started running towards me. Holy shit! I was so fucking scared. It was fucking determined. G.I. Joe ass, bro. What the fuck? I mean, he literally told me to get out of there. Like, I was there for a moment, and then he's like, take your helmet off. And I was like, why do I have to take my helmet off? So he just he was like, okay, if you're not, then get out of here. He just basically was like, leave. I was like, okay. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Left turn, man. Holy shit. I was trying to like, oh my god, what was that? What the fuck was that? It said use the middle lane. Am I tweaking? Or do I hear a siren? I think I'm tweaking. But now I have to keep my head on a swivel because I don't know if bro radioed it in or like. I'm not tweaking. I swear to God, I can hear a siren. I had to hide behind the car because I didn't know where they were going. Obviously, there's a myriad of things that they could be responding to, right? But obviously, I'm trying to be as careful as possible. quick recap. It was a long trip to get here, first of all, and yeah, basically first time really wanting to go on a group ride, actually, mostly because it was a stunt ride, not a regular group ride, right? So I went, got there, tons of different kinds of people there. You know, you got the YZ250 guys and stuff like that, the guys on the dirt bikes, killer as usual. And then you've got, you know, there were some stunt riders there, there was some fast boys, and basically it was all good. Immediately he was like, he looked at me and then he goes, "Take off your helmet." I was like, "Why do I have to take off my helmet?" And then he's just like, "Get out of here then, you know, if you're not like obviously conducive to the accident," right? So I go off, I'm walking over to my bike, right, and as I'm getting kind of ready to go, I'm looking back and I see him walking towards me. I'm walking in my direction and I'm like, oh no, there's nothing in this direction but me. So I'm trying to get my stuff, get my bike ready as quick as possible, boot it up, you know, get it started, and then I'm like, oh shit, yeah, I really gotta go, because I booted it up, ripped off onto the road there, and then I look in my mirror and he's already at the corner where I was, and that's how I knew he ran towards me. He was trying to get me. I don't know why. Maybe I don't know, he saw the bike, or he heard that I had a camera or something like that. I don't know, but it was fucking nuts. And then to top it off, on the way home, I almost, not even like seriously exaggerating, obviously I'll play the clip, but Jesus fucking Christ, man. I almost got hit with the infamous left turn. Like the infamous left turn. I want to say I wasn't like 100% paying attention, but I was like 75% paying attention, you know. But in the clip, you know, I'm in the roadway. Obviously he didn't see me, but whatever. It is what it is, you know. Yeah. Today has been a stressful fucking day, and I'm so tired.